In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make money online. This is specifically for my college teachers. So teachers, if you're a teacher and you are watching me, you have to watch this video to the end so that you get full understanding of it and you'll be able to try this out. Okay, so there is a site, okay, a site called iTalkI. Okay, iTalkI. This I'll pin it in the description box, so don't worry, just keep on watching the video to know how you go about it. So there's a site where they provide a platform. The platform is there for people who want to learn foreign languages. Okay, so this is a site for language teachers, especially those who, so if you're in Ghana and you are a language teacher, if you teach Akan and if you teach English language, this is the big opportunity for you to also get some passive income or to make money online. All you have to do is that you just go to this site iTalkI and then you register to become a language teacher. Okay, you just register to become a language teacher. Then after you have registered, you need to provide some documents showing that indeed you are a language teacher of that particular language that you want to teach on the platform. So after you have applied and your application is being accepted, you will be assigned to a student or the person who want to learn the language. People are earning $5. People are earning charging per lesson per hour, $5, $20, $13 per hour. So please just go to this side iTalkI and register if only you are a language teacher, and thank me later. See you in the next video.